In this video, we are going to talk about Protocol Token. It's a global online community of the pet lovers who are disrupting the pet industry by leveraging the blockchain technology while monetizing the data about their pets. And also at the end of the video, I will do my own price prediction about the token UPI. So if you are the holder or you are planning to buy this token, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
The protocol was inspired by a shared vision to build a global community of the pet parents, service providers, and manufacturers who are unified towards improving the pet care. The team has a mission to help the pets around the world live longer and healthier lives by empowering the pet caretakers with cutting edge technology and data. Simply, you can sign up the platform just by entering your first name, last name, and then you will become the part of the protocol and you will get some good amount of income every month with the help of UPI token. The platform is building a multifunctional platform that can seamlessly integrate into the average pet parent's daily life to make crucial pet care decisions easier, reduce the lifetime cost of the pet ownership, and ultimately improve the lives of pets everywhere. Now I will share some main and unique features of UPI token. Basically, the protocol and also the UPI token help the global community of the pet parents collect and process the data about their pets' well-being through the use of the sensors and professionals to help prevent the illness through the tailored care and nutrition instructions. And secondly, it will give the users a universal pet income UPI token, that is the native token of the protocol that compensates them for the value of the data they provide to the network. UPI can be exchanged for the products and services on the platform. Right now this token UPI is available on the CoinGecko, so you can check the entire data. And secondly, this token is also listed on the X markets and on the Probit, and I think on the Uniswap exchange also. So it will also help eliminate the predatory marketing practices while recommending the medicines, foods, treats, and toys from the providers proven to benefit pet well-being. The protocol vision is to introduce the new era of the decentralization and transparency to the pet industry. Network participants will be incentivized to collect and feed the data to protocol's AI, which in turn will make an AI enhanced diet and care recommendation for the crowd verified food products, toys, and service providers. Protocol will naturally reward the quality businesses by allowing their products and services to appear in targeted in-app recommendations and open the doors to a vast audience of new potential customers. Here you can see the entire team of the protocol and also the UPI token. So if you have any type of questions, simply you can join them and follow them on the social media, so the team will answer each and every question of yours. And you can also check the entire data on the CoinGecko as I told you before. And here you can see the best thing, if you are a simple trader, you don't have any type of things to use this token, but simply you want to buy this token for some betterment. Here you can see in last 3 days the token was all-time high, so it means that definitely the token will pump again. And as per my own price prediction about UPI, definitely this token will reach up to minimum 0.95 or 0.80, okay, in between of 0.80 and 0.95 in maximum next 1 month, because at this time the entire volume is growing rapidly on the Uniswap exchange. So it means definitely you will get some good benefit if you are going to buy the token right now. Now talking about some more features of the UPI. The protocol pet wellness focused AI works to identify the causes of the poor pet health and suggest the alternative routes of care and nutrition before the problem becomes out of hand. Protocol will level the playing field for small pet health focused businesses by giving the community the power to prove the quality through the crowd verifications. Crowd verified businesses will enjoy an elevated status in the eyes of the consumers on the platform. So it is all about the protocol. Now, the best thing, very soon you'll be able to see the team of the protocol on big screen, because the FMW Media announces the 12-part series featuring Protocol UPI for the multiple television network broadcasts monthly. FMW will start filming its first interview with Jane King early next week. The interviews will broadcast across the entire FMW Media television network with partners including Fox Business Network, Bloomberg Television, Cron, and Newsmax TV. So what you think about the production and also about the features of the UPI, and secondly about the price prediction of the UPI in near future? Kindly do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely reply everyone. Happy Christmas. Thanks a lot to everyone.